Hello everybody, so in this video we will be looking at the LeetCode problem divisor game. So the problem statement says that Alice and Bob take turns playing a game with Alice starting first, and initially there is a number n on the chalkboard. On each player's turn, that player makes a move consisting of choosing a number x greater than n less than n, and the mod of n by x equals to 0, and then replacing that number n by n minus x. Now also, if a player cannot make a move, they lose the game. So we have to return true if Alice wins and false if Alice loses. So what the problem is saying, suppose I am given a number n. So first of all, Alice will start the game, and he or she whatever will choose a number x, and this x will be between 1 will be greater than 0 and less than 1. So that is generally 1 and minus 1 included. So, and the another condition is that n mod of x equals to 0. So this is another condition, and after that we will replace our n by n minus x. So this is the question. So now let us take an example. Suppose our n is 3 and Alice starts the game. So now Alice can choose a number between from 1 to, that's all. So if Alice choose number 2, let us suppose if Alice choose number 2, so 3 mod of 2 will give me 1. So which will not satisfy this condition. This condition will not be satisfied, so we cannot choose 2. So Alice cannot choose 2. So now Alice chooses 1. So 3 mod 1 equals to 0. So Alice chooses 1, turns over. Now is the turn from the another player, Bob, and what we have to do, our n changes to 3 minus 1. So n is now 2. So now n is 2. So now Bob can choose either 1. That is the only option. So Bob chooses the number 1 and is turning over, and 2 mod of 1 is equal to 0. So this condition again is true, and now my n changes to 2 minus 1, which is 1. Now it's the turn of Alice. Cannot choose anything because he has to choose between, x should be like this, so he cannot choose anything. So as a result, Alice loses the game, so we will return false. This is how we will do it, and the code for this question is pretty simple. What we have to do, if our n is odd, return false, and if our n is even, n equals to even, return true. So the code for this question is pretty simple, and there is no need to write the code, but still, if n is odd, I'll return false, else I'll return true. Now let us run the code. So it's working now. Let us just try some more sample cases, corner cases too. Let's go for 1000 as well as 1. So it's running now. Let us just submit the code. As you can see, the code is submitted, and that was a pretty easy question in the DP segment of this LeetCode problem. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching the video, and do hit the subscribe button if you like the video.